If you found a mysterious stone and suspect it might be a rough diamond, you don't need expensive lab equipment to begin your investigation. While professional testing is always the most reliable, there are a couple of simple methods you can safely try at home to get a good initial idea. Dadhash. 1. The fog test, breath test. This is one of the easiest and quickest ways to check if your stone could be a diamond. How to do it. 1. Hold the rough stone between your fingers. 2. Breathe on it as you would on a mirror. 3. Observe how long the fog stays on the surface. What to look for. A real diamond disperses heat very quickly, so the fog should disappear almost instantly. If the fog lingers for a few seconds, the stone is likely not a diamond. A diamond. Why it works. Diamonds have excellent thermal conductivity, meaning they don't hold heat like glass or quartz. 2. The water drop test. This method is simple and requires only a glass of water. How to do it. 1. Fill a transparent glass with clean water. 2. Gently drop the rough stone into the glass. What to look for. Real diamonds are dense and should sink quickly to the bottom. Fake stones or lighter materials may float or sink slowly. Important note, some non-diamond stones can also sink, so this test should not be used alone for confirmation. Important tips. These tests are only preliminary checks and not 100% accurate. Some fake diamonds, like cubic zirconia, can pass one of these tests. Avoid damaging your stone with extreme methods like burning or hammering. Final thoughts. Using the fog test and water test together can give you a better idea if your stone might be a rough diamond. However, for a definitive answer, consider consulting a professional gemologist or using advanced tools like a diamond tester.